Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Python interview questions. That is, how to swap two numbers in Python. Let me answer. In Python, there are multiple ways using which we can swap two numbers. I'm going to practically demonstrate these ways for you. So let me switch to this PyCharm ID where I'm going to write the code for swapping two numbers in Python and that too in multiple ways. Okay, I'm going to show you the multiple ways of swapping two numbers in Python. First way. First way is by creating a temporary variable case. Okay, so for example, A is assigned with some value say 9 and B is assigned with a value say 5. Okay, so in A we have this 9 stored and in B we have this 5 stored. Swapping means this 5 need to go into A, whereas 9 should go into B. At the end of this program, okay, whatever the logic we are going to write, using that logic, the values need to swap between these variables, okay? 9 which is originally there in A should go to B and 5 which is originally there in B should go to A by the end of this code, okay? How to write the code? For that to happen, guys, okay? I need to use a temporary variable. What if I don't use a temporary variable? For example, if I say A is equal to B, what happens? The value 9 will be replaced by 5 because I am assigning A to B. Now, if I say B to A, this is not going to work out. Okay, this logic is not going to work out because so originally in A, 9 was there, but I'm assigning a new value. I'm updating this 9 with 5 here. So A will have 5. And now again, if you say B is equal to A means already A is having 5. So this also will get 5. If I print it out, A and B both will print 5. They are not swapping, right? So here A is losing the value. Original value is being lost, guys. To overcome that problem, what we do is I'll create one more variable. You can say C or temp also is fine if you, okay, it's a temporary variable, or you can say T also. T is also fine, okay, or any other variable name C also is fine. I'll say T is equal to A. Before updating the value of variable A, okay, I'm storing this, I'm just reserving this or storing this or protecting this value, okay, 9 into the temporary variable. Now, since I'm kind of assured like, okay, the value of A, which is originally there is now in T, I can do any operations on A, right? So I'll say A is equal to B. So the value B will be assigned to A now. That's fine. Now I'll say B is equal to, what I have to do? I cannot say B is equal to A. If I say B is equal to A, what will happen? Here also 5 will come. Okay. So, but I want into B, we need to get 9. That 9 is originally stored in T. So I'll give T here. Okay. T is equal to A is equal to B is equal to T. By writing these three lines, guys, the swapping happens. Now, if I say print of A and print of B, you'll see that in A, 5 will be printed here, okay? So because after swapping using this logic, 5 will be coming into A, whereas 9 will be coming into B, guys, okay? Originally, 9 was in A and 5 was in B. Now, 5 will be in A, reverse, okay? 9 will be in B. Run this, 5 and 9 should be printed, you see? In A, we have 5, and in B, we have 9, okay? Like this. This is the first way of swapping, guys. By using a temporary variable, we can do that, okay? Then what is the second way of swapping? There's one more way, guys, okay? So I'll go with the simplest way at the end, okay? I'm going to show you three ways. First way is completed. Second way also I'll show you. And the last way is very good, guys, okay? It's very easy in Python, okay? In Python, it's very easy to swap two numbers, guys, okay? I'm going to show that in the last. So here, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say A is equal to A plus B. Okay, I have tried three statements like this. Then I have to say B is equal to A minus B. Then I have to say A is equal to again A minus B. These three statements have tried, guys. What is happening? What is going to happen with this writing these three statements? I'll tell you. Okay. Here, guys, A is equal to A plus B. That means 9 plus 5, that is 11. Okay. A is equal to 11. B is equal to A minus B. Now A has 11. 11 minus 5, that is into B, 6 will be stored. Okay. Let me see. Here 11 minus 5 is how much? 6. That's it. Okay. Into A is equal to, 1 minute, here actually this is wrong, guys. A plus B is wrong. 9 plus 5 is 14, right? Okay, 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay. Okay, then now A is having 14 and B is having 9. Now if I say A is equal to A minus B means what? 14 minus 9, that is 5. So at the end, you see B will have 9 and A will have 5 with this logic. Okay. There's another way, second way. Okay. We have tried this three statement saying A is equal to A plus B first, B is equal to A minus B, and A is equal to again A minus B. Okay, by doing this, the values will get swapped. Okay, now A will contain 5 and B will contain 9. Okay, run this code. You see, A is containing 9 and B is containing 9 now. Okay, earlier 9 is in A and 5 is there in B. Now A is having 5 and B is having 9. Okay, this is the second way, guys. Now there is the simplest way possible, guys. Okay, in Python, there is a very simple way to swap two numbers. That too, we don't have to write 2 to 3 lines are not required anymore. Okay, you don't have to write 3 lines for swapping two numbers in Python. It's very simple. That is, I have to simply say A comma B is equal to, okay, B comma A. That's it. Okay, don't worry how it's going to work. It's going to work internally in Python, guys. Okay, so A comma B is equal to B comma A means what will happen? The value of B will be assigned to A, and at the same time, the value of A will be assigned to B, guys. Okay, the current value of A will be assigned to B and current value of B will be assigned to A. In a single statement, we can do that. Okay, the simplest way we can swap two numbers in Python. Run this. How it is going to work internally? Don't worry, guys. Python is going to take care of that. It's going to rotate the two values. Okay, the B value will be given to A and A value will be given to B at a time. Okay, so somehow it manages. Python will manage in such a way that at a time, these two values will be assigned to this two variables. Okay, values stored in these two variables will be assigned to the left side variables. Okay, automatically in Python. Python is going to take care of that internally. Don't worry how it's going to work. Okay, it's not related to any concept. Simply say A minus B is equal to B minus A in Python. It's going to swap two numbers. It's the simplest way in Python to swap two numbers, guys. You see, the values got swapped. A is having now 5 and B is having now 9. Right? Originally 9, 5, now 5. So hope, guys, you understood all the three ways. Okay, there's one more way also. There are a few more ways also, but these are the major ways, guys, that I want to cover that you can answer in the interviews when you get or come across this kind of questions in the interview. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to answer another Python interview question for you. Till then, see you. Bye-bye.